Biology is the natural science that studies life and living organisms, including their physical structure, chemical processes, physiological mechanisms and evolution. Certain unifying concepts consolidate it into a single and coherent field that recognizes genes as the basic unit of heredity, and evolution as the engine that propels the creation and extinction.
We are told that all men, women, and children ought to be healthy, handsome, and happy. I have strong convictions that every man should also have a home, healthful, happy, and beautiful, that it is a right, a duty, and therefore a possibility. Small and humble it may be, cheap as to cost, but secure, refined, full of conveniences, and the dearest spot on earth, a home of his own.
Dolphins, whales and porpoises are all social animals, but some species are more sociable than others. This depends on the environment because species adopts the lifestyle most suitable to them. Among dolphins, forming groups makes it easier for them to find food, reproduce and gain knowledge. They are safer, too, because dolphins can communicate danger when there are threats around.
For centuries, Atlantis has been one of the Western world's favorite legends. A tantalizing blend of fantasy and mystery. Stories tell of a rich and glorious empire that was lost to the sea where some hope its ruins still lie, waiting to be discovered.
The speaker is a marine biologist who became interested in the strandlopers, ancient people who lived on the coastline, because of their connection to the sea. As a child he had spent a lot of time by the sea, exploring and collecting things. Therefore, he began to study them and discovered some interesting information about their way of life and how they hunted.
Market research is a vital part of the planning of any business. However, experienced you or your staff may be in a particular field if you are thinking of introducing a service to a new area. It is important to find out what the local population thinks about it first.
Not a lot is known about how the transportation of goods by water first began. Large cargo boats were being used in some parts of the world up to 5,000 years ago. However, sea trade became more widespread when large sailing boats traveled between ports, carrying spices, perfumes, and objects made by hand.
History rubs shoulders and often overlaps with many other areas of research, from myths and epics to the social sciences, including economics, politics, biography, demography, and much else besides. Some histories are almost pure narratives, while others go in for detailed, tightly focused analyses of, for example, the parish records of a Cornish village in the 16th century.
In Japan, the tea ceremony is a ritual-like formalism in which green tea you prepare and serve to multiple guests in a tea-full setting. The ceremony can take as long as 4 hours and there are many tradition gestures that the server and the guests must perform.
But they did find something that had a much bigger impact on wildlife: habitat quality. The best predictor of wildlife abundance was not human activity, but factors like forest connectivity, nearby housing density, and the amount of adjacent agriculture. The results were published in the Journal of Applied Ecology,